subscriber. We're gonna prank her. If you want any suggestions, leave in the comments for next video. Thank you. And guess what? I have 1 trillion shekels on my other account, my main account. And wait, what? Yeah, and I can hold a giveaway, a live giveaway, I think. We'll see. If you're a subscriber, then I will give you some plants or fruits. Now, let's start the pranking. I'll try to make a good thumbnail or whatever. Okay, so I have 81 shekels. Not much you can do with that. I'm gonna buy a strawberry seed and 3 carrot seeds. This is good enough. I honestly don't like strawberries, IRL and in the game. I think this mango can't make 1 million, maybe 100,000. Okay, let's just ignore that for a sec. I just need to sell this. Okay, this is good. 5,000 shekels, not too bad. Let's see what they have in stock. Ooh, summer harvest has begun. I want a pineapple seed. I need to sell my things. Okay, summer harvest has begun. Sorry for being too quiet sometimes. I just need to type. It's kind of hard to. Oh, lucky harvest again. Wow. Yeah, I'm being sarcastic. I just need some of my inventory. I honestly don't care what I get in this thing. 80 shekels? Oh, come on, dude. Give me... I'm not trying to be mean with best friends, but... No, I just trying to act like a mean subscriber. From your garden, or I'll unsubscribe. Yeah, I think that's what someone would say. Okay, let's see what she says. Now I have to pull a nice to get her to give me something. Okay, let's try this out. Oh no. Hopefully she's not giving me anything bad. So, wait, I'll be right back. I'm gonna cut this part out. Don't worry. I'm making a video. Okay, I'm back. Give it. Give it. Ugh. Give me something good. And then at the end, I'm going to go onto my normal account and say it was all a prank. Come on, the summer harvest is almost over. I literally have 3 more minutes to the summer harvest. 6 more minutes. I need money for summer plans for summer harvest. Please. I'm begging. Begging you. Why not? Yay. Okay, I really want to get the pineapple seed. I have never had one before. Okay, this is good. No, they don't have anything. Oh, it's too late. I'm gonna ask, do you have any summer fruit? I can't buy any. There aren't in stock. Okay, let's see what she says. We've done a lot. Oh yeah, by the way, I gifted her that mole. I have 6 more to 5 lucky subscribers. Hurry. Okay, and maybe I'll gift her with something good at the end. Because I have Ember Lily seeds, cacao, pepper. I'm not gonna brag a lot, but I have all the good stuff that we cannot get anymore. Hurry. Hurry. Yes. Okay. I also have a giant cow on my other account. Main account. 2 minutes. Submit. 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 Let's see what I can get. Oh my god, the fun box thing. I will not accept your cow. Okay, let's see what it is. And I'm gonna make her some more money. Okay, good. Okay, guys, I'm back. I switched my account, and now I'm gonna surprise Demon with a surprise. Okay, because she was being really nice to me. I am going to surprise her. We're not on call right now, but it's okay. Now I need to look for something. Yeah, I have one Trello, as you can see, right over here. And I expanded a lot. There's a trick. Before this happens, when it left it look like this in the flash thing, you can plant a seed before and it will grow instantly. Just a little trick I learned from a video. Okay, so now I need to look for something. What should I give her? Really? Okay, what was the name? Ugh, we got it hashtagged. Duh. Oh my god. Okay, so how do I say this? Ding, die für dir steht. Over us in Roblox. Okay. Okay, I'll show you what I have in my garden, and then you can tell me what you want or what I should give to her in the next one. Okay. Okay, let's see what I have. In this Fedora, whatever seed. Cacao, kiwi, pepper, and I'm not lying about, look, I have a beanstalk back there, you see? Where is it? Let me see. Ooh, I should give her maybe an galactic apple. She has a beanstalk tree as well. I'm gonna look for the best things. Okay, I'm gonna get an ember lily. I think I have one. Yep. Right over there. And my mango. There we go. I think that will be enough. So now I'm gonna get all my inventory. Ember. Okay, he's the heaviest. Then mango. This guy. I got beanstalk. And then there was who was it? There was let me see. Okay, I have to install her for a bit more. I had a Galak. And then Disco. It's not that good, but there we go. 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 And there we go. Okay, of course. Oh my god, my back. Oh my god. I did so much sport today. And now she's at cell. I'll ask her how much all worth. Okay. I know we usually record together, but we're not together right now, and overcall it doesn't work when I'm recording. So I decided to pull a prank on her. I mean, why not? It's more of a friendly prank, though. Anyway, let's wait for her response. Oh yeah, she was correct. No. I think she's lying. Anyway. Huh. Okay, so I said that, and now let's see her reaction. Okay. Okay, yeah. You can add us and play games with us.